Good evening, boys and ghouls. What could Mistress Cristress have in store for you tonight, you might ask? Well, you're in luck, because tonight's makeup has made its way through the deepest, darkest jungles to find you here tonight. But don't get too comfortable, my friend, because this one's got claws. Start with Telesis 8F adhesive and thinner, apply to latex bald cap. And cut out holes for my ears. Once that was all down, put on some latex ears. And blended the ears and parts of the bald cap out with some latex. Back with the Telesis and applied it in the middle area of my face and put the prosthetic in position. This is a Woochie foam latex piece. I did snip out the holes for the nose so that I could breathe. Highly recommend doing that. Working my way out and start to glue everything down. As you can see, I did keep some of the bits of the flashing on. I found this made it easier to get it in position. Once the cheeks are in place, I just tore away that little piece. After I get all the edges down, stipple some thickened Ramzoid to blend into the skin. Moved on to applying black Wolfe FX Hydrocolor. And applied this over everywhere but the horns. Usually I would seal the prosthetic before moving on to the base, but I wasn't worried about the black shifting tones from the foam absorbing it. Took a brush to get into some of the tight areas. Using white Wolfe FX Hydrocolor, spatter over everything. I did change up the concentration of water to makeup to get different opacities. With the white skin Illustrator, start adding the markings on the face and ears. I was using the internet invented black lion as reference. Fake or not, I think the photos look pretty cool. Then use the white Illustrator in an airbrush to further build out the markings. I did this on the center of the chest and the collarbones, but that all kind of got lost out of frame. I used black skin Illustrator to refine the nose. Also went back with the white to add some small splotches and clean up around the mouth. Next, with the American Horror palette, took Coven and added blotchy details on the nose, making it look more fleshy. Took Mehron silver metallic powder and mixing liquid and painted in the horns. Then using the Collective Cosmetics Saint Holy highlighter, pop the high points of the face. Since the bald cap takes pigment a bit different than my skin or the foam pieces, I spritzed some sealer on a brush to help the highlighter stick to the cap better. Basically just keep building it up because I really ended up loving the effect the highlighter was giving the overall look. And of course my mirror would die in the middle of my makeup, but it actually worked to my advantage seeing it at different lighting, which helped me flesh it out a little bit better. So plugged in the mirror and back to the races. Added black skin Illustrator to color in the middle part of my mouth since I know it will stay put, and add some soft details on the upper lip. Wanted the ears to stick out better, so I taped some cotton behind them and put some black paint on it. Use Kat Von D Beauty Lash Liner on my waterline, then threw in some contacts. Cleaned up around the eyes where needed, and Skin Illustrator Love Shine to add some soft sheen to the whole look. Finally use MAC Cosmetics Brilliance Gloss for the nose so it looks nice and wet. And you're all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you had fun, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.